Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business, and today in the world of QuickBooks Point of Sale, we are going to show you how to import a template into the Print Designer. You can do this for any type of template that's in the Print Designer. Today we're going to do it for labels, specifically Avery labels. I don't know why, it's just what we're doing today, but you can export and import any template you want. And why would you want to do this? Well, maybe you have multiple stores, maybe you have multiple point of sales at different locations, and so if you have a template and you want it to be at the other locations, then you can actually export or import those templates. Other reasons why you might want to do this: maybe you're a franchise and you want every location to have the same looking price tag or the same looking receipt, and so you would export these templates and import them at the other stores. You may also want to back up your template. Maybe you've worked hard on it to make it just perfect, and so maybe you want to store it on a thumb drive or somewhere else different than your point of sale so that you have it for safekeeping. Before we do that, don't forget to click the link down below in the description to jump over to our QuickBooks Point of Sale Facebook group, where you can ask questions about tutorials or errors or what have you. I might answer them, other community members might answer them. It's almost like free tech support. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to hit subscribe so you can see all of our latest, greatest videos coming out all the time. So let's jump on it now. Here we are in the Point of Sale, of course. I'm going to go on the File menu to Tools, Print Designer, and here you have your main Print Designer template choosing screen. Yes, that's the official name. I'm going to switch over to inventory tags, and you can see a list of the inventory tags here, but the file we are importing is in a folder on this computer, and so I'm going to go to Import and Export. And then I'm going to go and import the document template. I'm going to hit Next. I'm going to go to the folder where that template is actually sitting, and I'm going to click on it here and hit Open. So there, one import has been successful and one document template has been imported. And now if I just go back on the list to inventory tags, I can see that there's one green one, and that means that it is a user modified document template, and that's because we made modifications to this template before we exported it on a different machine. We brought it here and now we imported it, and there you have it. It's just ready to go, and this customer can now use the template that they worked out ahead of time and they wanted to use from here on out. I'm going to close it. And that's it, folks. That's how you import a document template into the Print Designer on QuickBooks Point of Sale. My name is Peter with BlackRock Business. I hope you have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.